Now, if Turtle Islands is so far from any place in the Philippines, why develop tourism there? Well, aside sa tourism potential ng site, marami pa actually reasons. Number one, Turtle Islands is a frontier community of the Philippines. It's a municipality actually na kung saan the only sources of income of the people are fishing, working with the government, and trading. Yung role ng tourism ngayon to provide livelihood can be pursued. Now, aside from that, when you open it up for tourism, nagkakaroon ngayon ng another use yung islands, again for economic reason, no? Ang isa pa pala nilang ginagawa para magkaroon ng trabaho is they work in Malaysia. Unfortunately, napaka-vulnerable nila. Wala silang masyadong protection. So, ang hirap ng buhay. Again, opening up the Turtle Islands to ecotourism, it can provide more reason para mas maprotektahan ang isang protected area. Medyo counterintuitive dahil paano po protektahan ang isang area kung dadalhan mo ng tao? So, ang short explanation lang doon is mas maraming mata na nagbabantay, mas protektado ang isang area. So, yun ang palagi natin pinangangatawanan when we open up natural areas for tourism. So, hopefully, maging maayos ang kinabukasan ng Turtle Islands, no? Yung tamang paraan ng turismo, hindi yung sa halip na maprotektahan yung mga turtle, lalo pa silang maubos. Pero sana in the near future, we do ecotourism the right way in Turtle Islands. Let's cross our fingers, no? And kapag nag-succeed siya, alam nyo, I would really recommend for a lot of Filipinos to visit the island. Not only as a tourist attraction, no, pero para maramdaman nyo yung value ng isang lugar na yun. Alam mo yun, yung parang national pride natin na we're doing something right and para sa kalikasan. And we're gonna be a part of it as responsible tourists. So yun lang. Maraming salamat.